Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Copper Body vs. X-Blade Showdown, which is better. Watch the hands-on tests and listen for practical takeaways about handling and durability. I walk you through the feel during cutting, the balance when swinging, and how each model manages wear. By the end, you will understand which design suits daily use, heavy-duty tasks, or precision work, and how to choose based on real performance. I take each candidate through repeatable drills to compare real-world performance and user comfort. I describe how balance affects control during fast or precise motions and what a heavier copper body feels like compared to the lighter X-Blade. I also narrate edge behavior after repeated use and explain what to expect for maintenance. This approach helps you prioritize what matters most for your tasks or style. I discuss real scenarios where one design clearly outperforms the other and where trade-offs matter. I share anecdotes about prolonged cutting sessions, commuting with a tool, and field repairs to highlight practical implications. I point out who benefits from each choice: hobbyists who favor precision, professionals needing resilience, or casual users wanting low weight. The goal is to make your buying decisions simple and confident.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.